Okay, so we're going to open up the bag, and we're going to start on the front where we have a mesh compartment. We've got a refuge bag, an ice pack, a first aid guide, and small medicine baggies to add your own personal medication in. Then we're going to move to the left of the bag, where you've got shears. These shears are not TSA approved because the blade is longer than 4 inches, so if you need to take it into your carry-on, add some smaller shears in there. Splinter probes, hydrogel, 5 of those, emergency blanket, and skin cleaning wipes, which includes 10 alcohol wipes, 10 sting relief wipes, and 10 skin cleaning towelettes. Then we have 4 pairs of gloves. These are nitrile gloves and they are latex free, so you don't have to worry about any irritations. Then as we move to the middle of the bag, we've got our safety pins and an emergency whistle. We've got earbuds, which can be used for a variety of things, 20 of those. Quality tweezers. And fever scan strips. In the middle of the bag, the first item is the mini kit. Each bag comes with a mini kit. If you look on the back of it, you can add this to your belt. It's got a little loop on the back, and on the inside you've got small but decent scissors. You've got a combine dressing, a mask, some tape, gloves, as well as some extra safety pins. Then we have the CPR kit. This can be removed and added to your car keys as well. On the inside, the first thing that we really want to emphasize is the labeled instructions. You've got child and baby on the one side, and if you turn it over, you've got CPR for adults. So it shows you exactly what you need to do during a stressful situation where you need to apply CPR. It also comes with another set of gloves, a mask, and another skin cleaning towelette. Then we have hypo-allergenic tape. We've got triangular bandage, 2 of those. Then we've got some conforming bandages. We've got wound dressing, 2 of those. We've got an 18-inch splint and a pressure bandage. Now the next pocket over there is free for you to use for yourself. It's empty. If you are lucky enough, this might not always be there, but we've got a deal where you get a tourniquet. So if you're lucky enough, you might get one of those. If we move to the right, we have wound closures. This includes large butterfly bandages, medium butterfly bandages, large bandages, standard bandages, there are 30 of those, square, mini. We've got strip closures, which is like steri strips, H-shaped bandages. Then we're going to move on to our iPads, our cotton gauze swabs. Then we have our combine dressing and non-adherent dressing if you've been burnt. So that's it, all laid out, everything that's in the kit, and that's the supplies that you can find in the large first aid kit.